work show. Tired of telling people I got something. I just want them to see the work. That's like me telling somebody I got a product. Hey, I got a product. Come check the product out. They ain't gonna be messing with it. But then when somebody else see it, oh, damn.
Such told me that, I would.
That's why.
Can y'all do us a favor and start telling us that that's pretty lame? It's pretty lame.
That's why I don't. That's why I don't tell nobody that. I just let the work show. If you find out, if it pop up on the For You page for you, and you happen to glance and see it, that means we doing our job and made it to you for you to see, and we appreciate you watching.